The 7 parts again for today's session. It is going to be sales data analysis with Pandas. I will be showing you guys a challenge for this week. Then I will be giving you guys a pre-quiz. After that, in part number 2, Pandas, CSV, and Excel files we will be discussing. And for the last part for today, we will be learning about the functionalities of Pandas data frame. And for tomorrow's session, we will be learning about Pandas handling the missing data and Pandas group by function. And for the last session of this week, that will be on Wednesday, we will be solving the challenge together along with post quiz and the review and the final recap of the whole session, of the whole week. And now, guys, here comes the time to introduce the AI tool of the week. And this time, the AI tool of the week over here is Grok. So, how many of you have used Grok before? How many knows about Grok, CSV, and the Excel file? So here we are going to learn about reading data from CSV files, reading data from Excel files, limiting the rows, saving your data to CSV files, saving your data to Excel files, locate the named indexes, and dealing with different file formats and the paths as well. Now, we are going to start with what is working with files in Pandas. What is it, first of all? Now, when you're working with the data you often need to read it from the files. When you're working with data, you often need to read it from the files which is stored on your computer or the internet. Which is stored on your computer or the internet. Okay. Some of you might be office going people also over there, right? Some of you might be doing jobs as well, or some of you are on your career break, or some are students over there, right? So if I will talk as a student, so sometimes what happens, we get an assignment. If I will talk as a student, we get an assignment. And for that, we have to go through multiple tables, multiple Excel files to make our assignment much more effective so that we can get good marks. Yes or no? Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. If as a student perspective, am I right or wrong? Tell me. Come on, tell me, guys. Only two students I am having in the class. No, not others. Saswat, in a very simple language, I'm saying sometimes as a student, we get the assignments from our teachers, and to make that assignment, to make that, you can say, as a research paper, right? So to create that, we have to go through multiple tables, multiple Excel files, spreadsheets. Sometimes we have to collect the data as well from multiple resources, right? And some data we already have in our laptop. We have to use that in our assignment, right? And if as a working professional, I will say sometimes we get the task in which we have to use the previous data, which we have created. And that data is also already present in my laptop now, from where I have to use it again in my original one now. So just like that, for Pandas, we are having some common files like CSV, comma separated values, and Excel files, the spreadsheet files, which we use on a daily basis sometimes. And Pandas makes it super easy to load the data into a table, which is known as data frame, and start analyzing it. Yes, as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to read the data from the CSV files. What is CSV file now? That is a comma separated values, in which the data is stored in a plain text with rows separated by the line breaks and columns separated by the comma. Rows separated by the line breaks and columns separated by the commas. Now, Pandas allows you to easily load this data into a data frame for the analysis part. Now, how to do it with the help of read CSV function. How to do it with the help of read CSV function to load a CSV file. Now, when you are using CSV file. Whenever there is CSV file to load, then only you can use read CSV function. Otherwise, you can get an error. I will show you guys that as well. When the data is tabular, rows and columns, it is best for the small to the medium size data set. Now let me just show you guys a real world example how to do that. And then you guys can also try on your Google Colabs. Okay. Now, real world example is your manager asks you to analyze last month's sales. Now you receive a CSV file with all the transaction data. You can quickly load it using read CSV and start your analysis. Now, step 1, downloading the CSV data file. Okay, if you want to load a data set, you should have that data set first in your laptop, in your computer, right? Then only you will be able to load it. So first of all, I'm giving you guys one data set. There is a data set link over here. You guys can use any data. But for now, for this particular part, this is the data set I am going to use. So that only data set I'm going to provide you guys as. So here is the link. If I will click on it, I will get redirected here. It is getting loaded. This is the data set we are going to use in our today's session for now. So this is the link. Here is a download button. I will just download this data set. And here you guys can see now it is downloaded and the name of the data set is e-commerce sales.cs. Okay. And now listen to me carefully, everyone, what I am going to do. Listen to me very, very carefully. So now my data set is downloaded. You guys can see it over here, e-commerce sales.cs. Now what I have to do, I have to be over here in my Google Colab only. Then I have to go there. I have to go there to this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 icons, right? If I will go on the fifth icon, I will hover over there. It will be saying as files. I have to click on that. It is getting connected to the runtime. Let it get connected. Till then, I will just remove this runtime from there. Now, after that, here comes these 4 icons. From this fourth icon, I have to click on this first icon. If I will hover on that, it will show me upload to session storage. I have to click on it. And now you guys can see my file explorer window is open. Wherever now my data set is present, I have to locate it. My data set is present in the downloads part. See, in the download part, it is present as commerce sales. The data set which I just download. I will just click on it and will click on open. It will come as warning. Just put it as OK. And now you guys can see e-commerce sales CSV is present over there. And this means now the e-commerce sales data set is loaded over there in my notebook and I can use it in my code as well. To prove that, I can let me just show you guys one thing more. If I will double click on it, you guys can see the preview of this data set on your right hand side. Till this point clear, guys? Till this point clear, everyone? Everyone, it is clear? Okay, I'm sending you guys a data set in the chat box. You guys try that in your laptops then. Then only I will move forward. Hey, I'm sending on WhatsApp also. Just give me a second now. Guys, tell me if you guys are able to download this data set in the chat box or not. I'm sending on WhatsApp too. Yes, yes, yes. I just told you now what is just give me a second. Let me just send it on WhatsApp first, then I will answer your question. Okay, just give me a second. Right. Okay. Yeah. So what was your question? Hey, I will just once again. Just give me a second. Let me just Answer Ankita first. Yeah, CSV is called comma separated. Yeah, when I was telling you guys about the definition, see, file store in the plain text, rows are separated by the line breaks, columns are separated by the commas. Columns are separated by the commas. That is why comma separated values. Okay, okay, Ankita. Got your answer, Ankita? Ankita's definition, na? Here the rows are separated by the line breaks and columns are separated by the commas. Columns over there, which is going to tell you what value is present in that particular row that is separated by. And that is why these kind of files are known as comma separated values. Okay? Yeah. And I'm telling you the steps again. What you have to do. First of all, download the data set. Then go on this files, the fifth icon on your left hand side. Then it will open. Then you have to go on the first icon over there, upload to session storage. This will get open. Here you have to locate wherever that file will be downloaded. You just have to click on it and press open and it is done. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat? And everyone, please do let me know if you guys are done uploading this data as a Python notebook or not. Okay? Saswat, listen to me carefully once again. On your left hand side, you have to click on the fifth icon. You will hover over there, it will give you files. Click on it. Then it can take some time to show you these icons. Just wait. When these four icons will get displayed, you have to click on this first one, upload to settings to. It will open your file explorer. From your file explorer, you have to locate the file wherever it is present. Click on it, select that file and click on open. And then you will get one warning. Just click on OK and your task will be done. Okay, Saswat? Now is it clear? Yes. And everyone, please do let me know. Are you guys done uploading this to your session storage? Are you guys done uploading this in your notebook? I'm asking something, guys. At least answer me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. What about others? No problem, Saswat. Guys, I'm still waiting for others' replies. Tell me if you guys are done or not. Okay? Because this step is very, very important. If you guys will not get it, don't worry, I will explain it again. If you will blunder in this step, you guys will not be able to do the analysis after forward.
Ma'am, can we save this e-commerce file in our collab notebook?
Yeah, no, in Collab Notebook, if I'm going to disconnect it now, this will get
Ah,
disappeared. This will get
oh,
disappeared.
then
I
we
have
have
to load it again. I have to load it
oh,
again with the same steps.
Oh, every time we have to do like that one only.
Yes, because it is an online compiler.
Okay, ma'am.
Unable to upload in Collab. Soumya, what is the issue you are getting? Send me the screenshot. Yeah, send me on WhatsApp. And others also, if anyone is having any doubts, just send me on WhatsApp, okay? The sample data, just click on this. The sample data, no, just click on this. You guys will get these are not, what are they? These are some already present data sets which are already over there in your Google Colab. These are some sample data sets already over there. If you want to click on it, you guys will be able to see the CSV also over there. Okay? These are some already present ones. These also we can use if you want to use. So these are some, you can say, the default data sets. Okay? Now let me just do close this one. And Samir, you do send me on the WhatsApp. Okay, I will check on WhatsApp. And now, just give me a second to do something wrong. Oh, give me a second now. Now it's fine. Samya, what you have to do, you have to click on this. You have to click on this. These options will come, I agree. If you will click on this, then these options will come. You don't have to click on that. You have to click on this upload to session storage. Okay? You're clicking wrong. Give me a second now. Very good, Sudha. What I'm saying is, what have you done now, Sudha? Sorry, Soumya, by mistake, you have clicked wrong. You have clicked wrong. You have clicked, okay? You have to click over there, upload to session storage. You have to click on this icon. You clicked on the icon which is below that. You have to click on this one. Most welcome. Okay,
Ma'am,
everyone.
ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
So whenever we are going to upload the file and do something else and coding and whatever the analysis, everything will go out, or we have to take only the file at that time.
Only
Whatever we
file at
did
that
on
time.
analysis will be there, right? Will be saved, right?
Yeah, analysis will be there. You just have to run the cells again.
Okay, ma'am.
Send me the screenshots as well. Send me the screenshots as well so that I can check. And now, guys, please look over here. Very, very important part why I'm going to tell you guys now. So now you guys can see, you guys have uploaded the notebook. You guys have uploaded this over there in your notebook. You guys can see that on your right hand side by clicking it. Now I want to work it over there with the help of force also, right? I have to work it over here with the help of force also. So how will I do that? For that, I have to write down the code only. If I have to use it over here, if I have to filter that out. For that, you have to import pandas as PD. Just take the name, let's say df is equals to. Now it is a CSV file. What I will use read CSV file. So pandas as PD dot read underscore CSV bracket. And in this parenthesis, you have to make sure that inside the quotes, you are putting the same name as it is name which you have uploaded over there in your notebook. The name of the data set is e-commerce. You don't make sure you don't change the name of the dataset. If you will change the name of the dataset over there by mistake also, you will get an error. The name should be as it is same. The name should be as it is same. And the name of my dataset is e-commerce underscore sales.cs. And then I'm just going to print my DF. Now run this. And now you guys can see the whole data set over there. It is not the whole data set, as you guys also know. As you guys can see over there, there is a lot and a lot of rows. Some 200 rows are there. So what it is showing me at the end, it is just giving me a little preview of my data set, and at the end it is telling me that total number of rows are 200 and total number of columns are 7 over there in my data set. Clear with this part, everyone? It is uploaded. It is uploaded, Saswat. You can see a e-commerce sales.csv at the right, at the left hand side. It is uploaded. That much it will not be able to handle, Soumya. You can see the part of the dataset whichever you are desired with the help of filtering. Just double click on it. You will be able to see it on the right hand side also. Most welcome.
Ma'am, if you are having a two sets of collab, then everywhere, wherever we are opening the notebook, we have to open the CSV file also, right?
Yes. Ankita, without pandas, I can't open CSV files over there. I know we are having import CSV function, but if I want to handle the data for data analysis part, pandas is important. Is it clear, Ankita? Is it clear, Ankita? Yes. Okay, so now guys, let me just give you guys a little other details as well. Now, if I will not use print, I will only use DF. I will get my answer in this format. So it's on you guys. You guys want to use print or you guys want to not use it. That's on you now. And also, one more important thing which I want to show you guys. Right now, I am getting the preview, right? Now, what if I want first 5 rows only? I want first 5 rows only. For that, what I'm going to do, we are having a function named as head. By default, it will give first 5 rows. Just run it, first 5 rows, you will get the answer. Now you guys will ask, ma'am, what if I don't want first 5 rows, I only want first 3 rows? So by default, it will be 5. Otherwise, if you want less than 5 or more than 5, just put a number. Like I want 3 rows only, I will just put a number 3 inside that. I will get only 3. Now, if I want first 30 rows, I will just put 30. Other than 5, put any other number. By default, it will take 5. Other than 5, also you can put any number. That number of rows it will take. Clear? Now, just like head, we are having the opposite of it as well. If we can take the first 5, we can also take the last 5. For that, we use df.tail function. We use tail function. By default, it will take the last 5 rows. And I can take any name, whatever I want, like 67. It will give me last 67 rows. It will give me last 67 rows. Clear, everyone? Clear till this point, head and tail. Everyone? 0 to 199 is the row number, no? Somewhere. That is according to the data set only. That is according to data set only. So now we are done with what? We are done with the CSV part. Now we are having the Excel files. Now Excel files, what are they? These are the spreadsheet files that can have the multiple sheets. Unlike CSV, they can store formatting, formulas, and the different data types as. So for CSV, I was using read CSV. For Excel, just one thing will be changed. Instead of CSV, I will use .excel. Read Excel I will use. And the extension will be changed. And Excel files we can use when you need multiple sheets or the formatted data. And preferred when working with non-technical teams who use Excel files, who use Excel extensively. Yes, XLSX is the extension. Now for that as well, we are having the link. Here is the link for the Excel file. Let's just download it. Here will come the download option. I want it in the XLSX format, so I will just download it like that, like that only. Yes, the same procedure to upload. I will just do it again. XLSX. Let me just send that file once for you to you guys. Yeah, this one is Microsoft. What happened? There is some fluctuations. Now it is okay. Yes, we can, but for DBMS, we are not working on that right now. Right now, we are working on CSV and Excel only. Okay. Let me just close this. Oh, just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. XLSX file is a simple, is the most simpler one. The Excel spreadsheet. No. Documents. What it is. Okay. I've sent you all this. No, CSV is different. Excel is different. It will be mostly same. 99% same, I will say, Satspat. In Excel, you can put multiple sheets together, Ankita. In Excel, you can put multiple sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But in CSV, it's just a single sheet. CSV is a single sheet. Excel is multiple sheets. Okay. And now let me just show you guys how to do Excel as well. Give me a second. Here, session storage again. Just click on it, click on open. Yes, yes, yes. Just give me a second. Just click on it. Yeah, yeah. It got over there. Now what you have to do, this is what we have done now. Just copy this. Same thing you have to do. Put it over there. Instead of CSV, put Excel. And instead of CSV over there, put XLSX because this is the extension. Now, click on it. Just give me a second. What happened? This is there now, but
Ma'am, I think it is stored in a different name because Excel, that the same name, it cannot
it
be
is there.
stored, right?
No, no, who said that? It is there. Extension is different, so that means the files are different. But it is telling me file not found error. Give me a second now. I will just copy path. Huh. With that, it is working. So sometimes that can happen. So this is the trick. What you have to do wherever it is in your notebook, just go on this, click on this one, go on copy path, and in the parentheses, in the quotes, just to paste that part. With that also it will go. Is it clear, guys? Yes, Ankita, Excel is having XLSX extension. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, every damn file has an extension. Without that, how will it get to know that which file we are going to know we are talking about? Now, guys, after that, we're going to learn about limiting rules. Yes, in smartphones as well. We're going to learn about limiting rules. Now, what is it? The head parameter in Pandas controls how many rows are displayed when you view a data frame. This is useful for the large data sets to avoid overwhelming the screen. So how to do this? Set the display option in Pandas to limit the rows. Set the display option in Pandas to limit the rows. So in limiting the rows, what we are going to do? First of all, when to use it when you're working with the large data. And when not to use, when small data set, when you're having 20 to 30 rows only. Why you need that? Right now, I'm having 200. So I have to limit the data set, right? So what I will do, same thing again. My data set is already there. So I'm not going to load this data set again. I'm just going to copy this and paste it again. Okay? Because my data set is already there. So after that, printing I don't want to do right now. After that, what I'm going to do, I am just going to get the shape of my data set. That will be df.shape. What is the shape of my data set? It is 207. It is 207. And how can I limit it? How can I limit it? With the help of df.head. Only 20 rows I want. So just df.head, only 20 rows you will get. That is limiting. That is limiting. Clear with limiting, guys? The same code we have already done in CSV, Samya. The same code we have already done. That just one thing I have added, that is df.shape. Right now, the shape of my data set is 200 rows and 7 columns. I'm just getting df.head 20, that means first 20 rows. Okay, Samya?
Ma'am, one doubt. So whatever the file you have sent it, when I am opening in the laptop, both are in Excel.
Just convert one into CSV then. The first file which I have sent, convert it into CSV.
Okay. But when I'm opening there in a collab, both are coming as CSV.
You have downloaded wrong then, because if it is in an Excel file, it will come as Excel file only in Collab. Collab can't change it.
Maybe I'll check. I'll check it one more time.
Check the extensions before uploading. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'll check.
Yeah. Okay. So what I was gonna do afterwards. Yes. Now, guys, I am having very interesting thing. Yes. 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 That's it. Enjoying now? It is easy. It is interesting now. Now, let's save the data. Now, let's save the data. Now, how we can save the data, guys? Just give me a second. Yeah, this one only I will save. Now, guys, I'm having this DF, right? It is an Excel. What if I want to save it into CSV format? What if I want to save it in CSV format? What I will do, DF, name of the file, dot to. I want to shift it to CSV. To CSV. Just put the name. Let's say new data dot CSV. Extension should be clear. If I want to convert it into CSV, the extension also you have to give CSV only. And this new data.csv, I'm giving it on my own. Clicked, done, go over there. Now, DF is there, but it is in the form of what we can say is in the CSV form. Just give me a second here. It is not going now. Check your WhatsApp, Sudha. I've sent. Give me a second, guys. I'm just going to disconnect my runtime and going to run all of them again. Restart session and run all. Reconnect. Here I will put both of the files again. Shift and this. Open. Both of the files are there again. Now run all. Okay. Got it. Now df.toCSV done. Over there, if you guys will see, here will come new data CSV. If I will double click on it, you guys will be able to see it in the CSV format now. Clear, guys? Clear how to save?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, in collab we can save, but what I'm asking, like, is it possible for whatever we are doing, like converting from Excel to CSV, whether we can put it onto the desktop again?
Download it. Download it.
Or okay, okay, fine, fine, fine,
There is
fine.
download option also. Saswat, let those questions for me only, okay? I will answer them with practical in the classes. Okay, Saswat? And Soumya, we will do them as practical. Okay, so now CSV is done. You guys can also do it into Excel as well. You guys can also do it in Excel as well. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use dot to Excel. Now, let's say new dot XLSX because this is the name. Done. Go over there again. There will become new XLSX. Now, Excel file now, Google Colab does not support Excel file to come in the right hand side. So if I will click on it now, it will directly get downloaded, as you guys can see also over there. Clear? Clear with saving part? Clear with saving part, guys? Now, what I was going to tell you guys about. Now, guys, I was going to tell you about locate the name indexes. Soumya, the question you were asking, locate named indexes. Just give me 10 minutes more, guys, then I will give you guys a break also, okay? Locate named index. What is it? Indexes and pandas are like the row labels. They help you locate data quickly. Named indexes are when a row or column is assigned a specific label for the easier reference. Now, how to do this? You can just sit and locate the named indexes using the pandas. And when to use it? When your data has unique row labels like the product names, customer IDs, or the dates. It will make your querying data more intuitive. You can't use it when you do not have the unique labels. You can use it by default numeric indexing, which will be simpler. So, guys, let's do an example only. Let's just do an example. So now, guys, what we are going to do over here, I will be just creating. I will be just creating one data frame. So already I'm having DF now, and here we are having product as well. Okay, so what I will be doing, DF dot. In that only, I will be just setting my index. Set index. I want to set my index as product. So, and yes, I am having a column named as product. So what I will do, I will just copy from here only because the name should be same. Name should not get anything incorrect. Okay, just put it like that and put in place is equals to true. By hope link is not okay, no problem. In place is equals to true and just get the DS. Now you guys can see what I was doing in data frame in our last session. If you guys remember, I was making one column name as a label, and that is what I'm doing over here as well. That is what we are doing over here as well. And the thing for in place is equals to true is in place is equals to true modifies a data frame directly without creating any kind of copy. Without creating any kind of copy. Are you guys clear till this point? Is everyone clear till this point?
It is a changing of position, right?
Not changing a position basically. It is like creating, making a label according to you. Ankita, let me just complete this part now. I will give you guys the break.
Ma'am, where is the you show that the product is in a third row, right? But right now the product is in first row.
Yeah, because it is
First
becoming
row.
a label. Label.
Okay, fine. So it means it come before.
It will come before. If I will put order date also, it will come also before only. It is a label now. Saswat, it is a label. It is a label. I told you guys in the data frame in the last lecture only. We were making it a label. I'm having the columns. From those columns only, a particular column I want to create it as a label. I do not want the numeric indexing. That is what we are doing over here in the original data set now. Now do you guys remember? Now do you all remember? Just in the last session we did that. Okay guys, just 5 minutes more, then I will give you guys your break. I promise. Let me just complete this part. Now guys, there are some common settings while handling the files. What is it? When loading or saving the files in Pandas, there are common settings when you customize, such as selecting specific columns or handling the headers. You can use it when your file are having some extra rows like metadata. You want to ignore them. If you're working with large file and you need only few columns, a specific part now. So if you need all the data in the file, that thing will be unnecessary. So what you are going to do over there now? So just take the data, anything, let's say data only. In which part it is stored? Data of data is known as metadata. Data of data is known as metadata. Just pd.read CSV. Let me complete that, then I will tell you about metadata also. Now, use calls. Use calls means use the columns. Which columns I want to use? Just put all those columns inside the brackets. I want to use date, product, and sales. Just give me a second. There is order date, not date. That will give me a mistake then. Order date. Product is there. Category, I will take. Category. Just put the name of the columns you want, and those columns only you will get as your answer. And this is the best example of metadata also, Saswat, because this is the data of data. This is the data. These three columns are the data of the original data commerce CSV file. Data of data, which is known as the metadata. Or you can say the part of the actual data. Yeah, subdata. Is it clear, guys? Till this point, is everyone clear?
Ma'am, this everything can be done in Excel file also, right? Not only in CSV, right?
Yeah, everything can be done in Excel file.
That means pd.read underscore Excel, Excel SX, SX, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have to
Yes,
put it
yes,
that
yes.
whatever it is there is in an Excel file and we can do it.
Yes, yes. Okay, everyone. So with that, guys, our part number 2 is now
So,
completed.
so which data will take it this time, ma'am?
Which
Ma'am,
what?
ma'am, for example, if you are having a original data, okay,
Hmm.
as Excel, and you are converting into CSV, and another file you are downloading as a CSV again. So which data it will take? There are two CSV files are there, right?
The name, whichever I will put, you have to put the name over there, na?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Guys, please don't do that. It is very, very irritating. I will not say anything now. Okay. Can we do with the rows too? Yes, we can definitely do it with the rows too, Soumya, but it will come in the filtering part and we will do it in the next part. Okay. But for now, let me just give you guys a quick recap of what we have done and you guys can have your break. So guys, what we have learned, we learned how to import CSV and Excel files. What are they? how to load CSV and Excel files in Python, how to save them, how to limit the rows, how, how to save them in the different formats, how to convert them into different formats, and how to get the specific columns only. Okay, so this is what we have learned. And now I'm giving you guys a short break. It is 9:26, so you guys can have your break till 9:40. And after that, I will start with partner. It's okay, Meenakshi, but please be careful from the next time. The converted data you will be able to see over there. If not, just refresh it. Just refresh it, you will get it. Okay, Tohidul? And now, guys, I'm giving you all the break. I will be on mute and I will start the session exactly at 9:40 again. Okay, everyone, breaks over. Is everyone here? Is everyone here? Break over, guys. Come on, I need responses from each and everyone out there. Great. You want 2 minutes more? Who else wants 2 minutes more? So I guess I have given the enough time for break. So now I have to start only, okay? So now we are going to start with the part number 3. In the part number 3, we are going to learn about the functionalities of Pandas data frame, in which we are going to learn about picking the specific rows and columns from a table, selecting specific rows, Soumya, your question, using label page and or ilog index page to select the rows, filtering the data, doing math with your data, getting quick summaries and stats, and organizing, sorting, and finding the specific data. This is all what we are going to do. Yes, yours as well. Okay. So now, guys, this part is going to be very, very easy, but I want everyone's whole attention over there. Okay. I want everyone's whole attention over there because it can be a little tricky for you guys. The part is going to be very, very easy. The codes are going to be very, very easy. That I can guarantee you guys, but I want all of your guys total, total, total attention over there. The whole attention I want here. Okay? Great. Now, picking specific rows and columns from a table. What is it? You can select specific rows or columns to focus on just the data you need instead of working with the entire table. How to get specific columns? How to get specific columns? Just 10 minutes before I have taught how to get the specific columns. Here it is saying product and total sales. How will I get the specific columns? Tell me, how will I get the specific columns? Come on, guys, tell me. Sure, with the help of use calls? Very good, very good. Yes, with the help of use calls I can get, but I am having one more way as well. I can just get my data. I can just get my data, and what I can do is I can just get columns data, whatever I want, data with the help of filtering. Bracket inside that pass the list of the rows I want. I want product and total sales, and just print that. You will get your answer. So use calls also you can use, and you can also do the filtering part like this. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Everyone clear? Data is this, Ankita. Indexing starts from 0. Yes, index is involved here as well. Now, guys, next part we are having selecting specific rows. We use log for label page and ilog for index to select them. What is log? Log is short form for location. It selects the rows using the labels of rows and columns. Now, labels refers to the names of the index, refers to the name of the index or column. Yes, you're correct, Saswat. When to use lock? When you want to access rows based on their row label index. And when your data frame has meaningful row names like product names and dates. That time I can use that. Let me give you guys an example. Now, let's say row data. Is equals to, what is the name I took? Data. It is already there. No? Data dot loc. I want laptop and I want tablet. Specific thing. And I want tablet. So what happened? What just happened?
Ma'am, we have to put print raw data.
No, I've told you guys that before as well. That print is not important. You will get the answer just like that also. I've told that, right? No, no semicolon. Guys, the product is the label. I am not giving product as label over there. I'm not giving product as label. I have to make product the label like before we have done. Let me show you guys. We have created product as label before now. That we have to use. See, I have to put product as label first. And now if I will run it, I will get my answer. Got it? If I'm working on label, I have to make someone as label also now first. I have to make someone as label also first. Then only I will be able to access label. Right? Now, are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? How will it happen? Yes, yes. First, you need a label. Then only you will be able to access that label. Now, see, I am taking as laptop and tablet. So only laptop and tablet I will be getting in my product column. Whatever will be laptop and product, that only I will get as my answer. Yes, 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 yes. You can do a single also. If I want only laptop, let's say. If I want only laptop, I can do only laptop as well. Now that depends upon me how I want to do this. That is lock function. That is lock. Are you all clear with lock? Label based is clear?
Can you please repeat that index, ma'am?
That is not index, that is label first of all. Okay. So if I want to do the label based indexing, first of all, I have to create a label. I need a label. First of all, if I want to do the label indexing, I need a label. I need a label. I'm creating product as label first and then on product, then with the help of product only. In product only, I'm having laptop, I'm having tablet, I'm accessing them. And in product column, only those items I'm getting in which product, in which these products are present. I can get single, I can get multiple as. Clear now, Supradeep and Sudha.
Yes, ma'am.
Supradeep, Okay, so that was lock. Now here comes iLock, index based. Index based. Yes, loc is basically an abbreviation for location, and thus in place operate under Boolean. In place, I have told before also, it is not going to make a copy of the original data set. It will make the changes in the original one. Okay, Saswat? Now, here comes iLock. Now, for iLock, what I will do? Here, I have to work on the numeric index. Now, I have to work on numeric index. Row is equals to data dot iLock. I want, let's say, 0. I'm showing you guys that first. What I'm getting? I'm getting headphones. I'm getting the first row. I'm getting the first row, headphones, the first row. 0 means the first row itself. The first row, whole thing I am getting over there with 0. And I can get any. And I can get multiple as well. Let me just take over here. If over there in iLock, I will put over there in bracket, let me put like 0. I am going to put 9. I'm going to put 98. 3 things I'm putting, 3 numbers I'm putting. And those 3 numbers I will get as answer. Is everyone clear with lock and iLock? Yes, yes, yes. Everyone clear with iLock? Guys, I'm asking something. I need responses. Great. Now, guys, here comes filtering the data. Now, filtering the data we have already done before in our classes. I hope everyone remembers what is filtering of data. I hope everyone remembers how to filter the data. Same thing we are going to repeat again. We can break our large data set into smaller manageable parts such as subset of rows or columns according to the conditions we are going to put. Filtering data means use the conditions to filter the rows. When to use? You can use it for the larger data sets where analyzing everything is very, very overwhelming. To focus on a specific part like high performing products, just put the condition like the threshold where the performance is greater than where the performance is greater than 300, just put it. Just get those cells out. Now, when not to use. If your data set is small or fully relevant, cutting is not needed. Cutting is not needed. And real world example, you want to analyze only. You want to analyze only. Just give me a second. You want to analyze only the top 10 rows of the sales data or focus on product sales above $3,000. Now, how will we do that? How will we do that? Now, let me get the data name as filtered data is equals to. It is present under the name data. Inside the data, get the data. And in that, I want the data in which data's total sales. I want the data in which data's total sales is greater than 3,000. Now get the filtered data. But I only want 10 rows. So what I will put? Filter data dot head like that 10. And here is the answer. If you guys will check the total sales, only those numbers you will see which is greater than 3,000. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Clear with what?
if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
put head itself, there is no need for 10, right? Automatically the 10 rows come, right?
If I will put
If you don't put 10, what it will happen?
first 5 rows, it will give na, by default 5.
Oh, 5. Oh, by default 5. Okay, okay.
So if I want other than 5, I have to give the number.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this was the thing I wanted to show. And then there is a part of slicing. Slicing data means use slicing to extract the ranges. So here what we are going to do, I'm going to get the sliced data now is equals to what? Data. If I only want to get first 5 rows. Saswat, please let me complete first. You just see how it is going. Okay? You will get to know what other parts we are going to use. Just be a little patient. Okay, slice data, just put ratio 5. Just put ratio 5. And print, not print, I don't like to use print over here. Are you all clear with this?
Ma'am, in this data frame, we don't have to put print function at all. Automatically it will come, right?
Sorry?
So we don't have to put print slice data. Instead that we
Yes,
put a slice.
yes, print, I don't, you don't have to put. Okay, so after that, guys, now here comes how to do maths with your data. That depends upon you, Sudha. That depends upon you, Sudha. If you want to give print, you can. If you don't, you can skip that also. Either how it will get over there as out. Yeah. Okay, so next part is doing maths with your data. So in this, what we are going to do, we are going to perform the mathematical operations on numerical data within your data frame, such as finding totals, averages, or applying the custom formulas. So now, how to do that? Just add a new column. Let me just show you guys with the help of example only. So let's do it. This is how it looks like now. So what I'm going to do here, it is saying add a new column for discounted price and calculate the discounted price by subtracting 10% from the original price. So price per unit is this. So I am going to just add one extra one, which will be named as discounted price. Discounted price is equals to data. Now discounted price, how will I do? I need to take the price per unit column and just multiply that column with 0.9. I will get the 90% of it. That means 10% part will get deducted. Run this, it is done. Get the data. Now you guys will be able to see one more column over there named as discounted price, where the calculation has happened. Is it clear, guys? Everyone, is it clear? Now, guys, we can apply the aggregations. How? Now, if you guys will see, I'm having a total sales column, right? Now let's do the total of that sales column. How can I do that? Total is equals to data. Inside the data, what is the name of that column? Total sales. With that, just put the sum function and get the total. You will get the total answer. Or for that, because it is a single thing, na, just put it inside the print. This is the total of the total sales column. See, I'm having a numeric columns now. What if I want to get the total of some columns? I want to put the average of some columns. How can I do that? Just get the specific column and put the formula on that, function on that. We are already having the function named as sum num. Just put that function on that and you will get the answer. This is the total of my total sales column. Okay, Samya? And it's not like that you can only do sum, you can do the average, you can do subtraction, everything. Let's say I will put over there as mean. I will get the mean of that column, average. Clear, everyone? Just the last part is pending. Just 5 minutes more it will take. We are done only. Just 5 minutes more, Saswat. I will not take more time. Just two functions I want to tell you guys. Just two functions. Okay. I'm asking everyone, should I continue or you guys want me to stop here only? Do you guys want me to continue or stop here only? Guys, at least answer me, please. I will go with the majority. Okay, we will continue tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow, but I'm giving you guys the homework. But I am giving you guys the homework. We will continue tomorrow, but I'm giving you guys the homework. And first, we will complete that. And then only we will move forward. And guys, just wait for 5 or 10 minutes, okay? I'm sending you all the feedback form. Fill that, and then you guys can leave the session, okay? Okay, everyone, I have sent you all the feedback form. I've sent you all the feedback form. You guys can fill out your feedback form and also do let me know if there are any doubts in the today's session so that I can clear those doubts also. You will get to know about that, Saswat. You will get to know that how we can do filtering. If you will see the practical, that will be more beneficial for you. Okay? Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, no one is having any other doubts in the coding. Should I stop sharing my screen then? We have total of 16 weeks, Aswin. This is week number 10.